Narendra Modi, the 14th Prime Minister of India, is a prominent political figure known for his dynamic leadership and policies. Born on September 17, 1950, in Vadnagar, a small town in Gujarat, Modi's journey to political prominence is inspiring. Growing up in a humble, middle-class family, Modi faced the struggles that come with limited resources. His family lived in a small house, and he helped his father sell tea at the Vadnagar railway station during his childhood. Despite the challenges, Modi was a diligent student with a keen interest in politics from a young age. Modi's entry into politics began in the early 1970s when he joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a Hindu nationalist paramilitary volunteer organization. He later became a pracharak, campaigner, for the organization, traveling extensively and working on various socio-political issues. His political career gained momentum when he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) in the 1980s. Over the years, Modi held several key positions within the party and played a crucial role in its growth. He served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014, during which the state witnessed significant economic and infrastructural development. Modi's leadership style is often described as decisive and pragmatic. He implemented various reforms and policies, including the Goods and Services Tax (GST) and the demonetization drive, aimed at curbing corruption and promoting economic transparency. His emphasis on digital initiatives, such as Digital India and the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, aim to bridge the digital divide and provide financial services to all citizens. In 2014, Narendra Modi led the BJP to a historic victory in the general elections, becoming the Prime Minister of India. His tenure has been marked by initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Campaign, Make in India, and Skill India, focusing on cleanliness, economic growth, and skill development, respectively. Modi's policies and decisions have sparked debates and controversies, but his supporters credit him with addressing issues such as corruption, infrastructure development, and economic reforms. His ability to connect with the masses through social media and public engagements has made him a prominent and influential leader on the global stage. In summary, Narendra Modi's journey from a tea seller in a small town to the Prime Minister of India showcases his resilience, determination, and political acumen. His story continues to inspire millions and remains a significant chapter in India's political history. Something really interesting happened today. I met the one and only Mr. Barack Obama. He was stunning and down to earth. I'm gonna cherish this moment forever. Smile.